Want to keep your website visitors engaged and informed without sending them down a rabbit hole of new pages? First, let's add a Lightbox to your page. Go to the plus icon to find Add. Click the Interactive section, then select Lightboxes to choose a pre-designed template. Wix offers a ton of pre-made designs, so pick one that suits your site's aesthetic. I am going to choose this one. Now, time to customize your Lightbox. Change the title, description, and add images or videos to provide all the extra details you want your visitors to see. Head back to the main page of your Wix site and either add a button or select an existing text element to link to your Lightbox. Click the link icon, and in the window that pops up, scroll down and select Lightbox. Then, choose the Lightbox you just designed from the drop-down menu. Select the Lightbox name from the drop-down menu. And that's it. Now, preview your site. Click your Learn More button and watch your beautifully designed Lightbox pop up, delivering all the essential information without losing your visitors.